Hi everyone, welcome back to Life in Wide Loop. Today I solve a very important DSA problem that helps you understand binary search, one of the fastest searching algorithm in programming. Problem statement was given a sorted array of distinct integers and target value written in the index. If the target is not found, written in the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. You must write an algorithm with the order of log n runtime complexity. So let's understand these problems. We are given a sorted array of distinct integers and target value. Okay, if the target exists, return it index. If the target does not exist, return the position where it should be inserted to keep the array sorted. Important requirement is what? The solution must run order of log and time. That means we cannot use a normal loop like a log order of n. We must use binary search. Why binary search? Because binary search works only on sorted array as per known. Instead of checking every element one by one, start from the middle, decided whether to go left or right, reduce the search space by half every time. This makes algorithm extremely fast. So start first I return a code, then I explain line to line by line. Okay. First I give the length of nums dot length spell mistake. Okay, then I initialize start and end index. Start at 0 and is and minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, return a while loop. Check whether conditions if my start is less than equal to end. Initialize first condition is made to start plus end by 2. Okay, if my mid element is equals to the target value also. So there is the code. Okay, first I created two pointers here, start and end. Start is the beginning of array and end is the last index. Now while start is here is the condition start is less than equal to the end. I repeatedly find the middle element. So here is the conditions int mid initialize the mid variable. Start plus end is divided by 2. Then we check the three possible conditions. First case is target found. So if nums of mid is equals to the target element, that time we return a mid element. We immediately return mid because we found that element. Case 2 is target is smaller than middle. If the target is smaller, it means the element must be on the left side. Okay, so I initialize these conditions. In end is equals to mid minus 1. Now the search space becomes smaller. Target is greater. When the target is greater, uh, it must be on right side. For these conditions, we move start is equals to mid plus 1. Again, the search space is reduces. What if target is not present? Here come the smallest part of this problem. When the loop end, start will automatically point to the current insert positions. So we simply return start. Now extra logic, no extra logic needed. Okay, here the time complexity as usual. We as per given conditions is order of log n. So firstly run this code. Yes, got it. Submit it. Yes, got it. If this explanation help you understand binary search better, don't forget to like and share and follow Life in While Loop for more simple DSA explanation. See you in the next problem.